this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm back today with another Halloween video. So today's video is going to be all about, of course, Halloween. I am going to be sublimating a glow-in-the-dark tumbler. All right, here's my tumbler, and I think it's the reason why I'm going to be doing this glow-in-the-dark tumbler is because I have this design that I made in Canva, and this is it right here. All right, so this is something I just came up with, just, you know, doing something and designing in Canva, and I wanted an eyeball, and you see I put the eyeball here, and I just wanted the hands reaching up, trying to grab the eyeball, kind of like, you know, like his eyeball had been taken out and he trying to reach up and grab it and put it back in. I don't know, that's just something, y'all, my mind, when I start designing, I think of all type of things. But this is the design that I'm going to be putting on the glow-in-the-dark cup, and I thought it was amazing to put it on the glow-in-the-dark cup since it is what, Halloween. All right, I've already made one of these cups before when I made a design for my business, my event business, and I'm going to be showing you that tumbler also that I made. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my alcohol just to wipe this off, and then I'm going to be applying my tumbler using my convection oven. All right, so let me show you what I'm going to do. All right, so here's my alcohol, and all I did was just put it in a spray bottle, and I'm just going to take my tumbler, all right, and just take this alcohol and just spray it on my tumbler. Okay, and I have my paper towels, and I'm just going to take one and wipe off this alcohol. All right, and what that does is just get any debris, fingerprints, or anything off, any dirt, okay, off of your tumbler before you apply your design on it. All right, so okay, now I have my all right, I have my heat tape right here, and I'm going to go ahead and trim off this white part around the design because you do not want that. Now I do have a trimmer, a paper trimmer, but I'm just going to use my scissors. Okay, this is going to be my mug, so I'm just going to go ahead and use these scissors to just trim away this white excess around, you know, the extra part that I don't want on my cup. Okay, so just go ahead and trim it off just like this, and try to get as close to the design as possible. Okay, all right, y'all, so my design is ready. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my cup, all right, my tumbler, and just place my design on it just like so. All right, and just wrap it around as tight as possible. Okay. Just take your tape and just apply it to your Ieasha paper, you know, on your tumbler. Okay. All right, as you see, I'm just going to take the little edge part right here and just kind of, you know, bring it over just a little bit, just like so. And I'm going to take my my heat tape and just add some tape right around the edges here, and that is just to make sure that the edges are covered also. All right, and like I said, everyone do their heat tape different, so there's no right way or wrong way to put your heat tape on. It's just your preference on how you want to do it. Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to add some right around the bottom also. Okay. All right, so here's my tumbler. I have taped everything down, as you see right here. Okay, so now we're about to go into the kitchen and go ahead and put it into the convection oven. And I normally do mine at 425 for 6 minutes. That's how I did my last tumbler, and it came out amazing. All right, so I'm going to do the same to this one. So let's go ahead and put this in the convection oven. All right, everyone, so here is my convection oven. Remember, it's a Black & Decker. And what I'm going to do this time, I took this oven rack out because I am going to try to stand my tumbler up. Now, that's one thing I've never tried before. I normally lay it on this rack, but I'm going to stand it up this time right here and just see how, you know, see how this, the standing up part works for it, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm waiting till it heats up to 425, and then I will put it in for 425 for 6 minutes. All right, so you see that the design or the ink actually sublimated into the tumbler, and that's what you're looking for, as you can see it through, you know, the Ieasha paper here. Okay, so that's a good sign that it did take to the tumbler. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the heat tape and everything, and the heat tape, the gloves, and some other items for sublimation will be in the description box below, my Amazon affiliate link. All right, so let's go ahead and take this off and see what we have. I'm super excited about it, y'all. I like to do some fun things for my kids for Halloween, so this is, you know, the different things I go ahead and do, and try to design my own designs, you know, something fun and cute that I know they would like, because they don't really like scary, and I really don't either. So I try to do some fun stuff for them. All right. Okay. Oh, look, y'all. It took really, really well. Okay. Make sure that you can see it as I open it up. Look at there, y'all. It is gorgeous. I love, love, love it. Okay. Everything came out amazing. Now, the only thing is right here. Okay. I don't know if you can see it because of the light. Okay. You can see it now. It looked like it had a little ghost in here, maybe because I did not have it completely tight like I should have it. Maybe I need to put some different type of tape on it to hold it. But as you see, this is my cup, so, you know, but it is absolutely cute. Look at it. Look at the little cute little ghost. And I did the Let's Get Spooky. All right, the little spider. I did him in green with the white eyes. All right, and you remember I told you I did the hands reaching up for his eyeball, like his eyeball had been popped out and he was trying to reach and grab it. All right, and I just put the Halloween, the purple spider, and I did trick or treat here at the on the side. All right, and as you see right here, I did the little like the little drips here. It is so cute, y'all. It is so cute. I love it. All right, so let me show you my other cup that I made when I told you I made another glow-in-the-dark tumbler. Now, this is the one that I made for my event business, Event Decor Designs by Ieasha. I made this one, and this is the design that I did in Canva also. All right, and I wanted to use my brand colors, so that's what I did. And I think I have a video. I think I have a video of how I did this. But like I said before, if you watch my last video, there's a lot of Cricut tutorials and different tutorials I have over on my event website, because when I started my event decorating website, I started with Cricut and different things over there. So if you want to go over there and check out my Cricut videos, you can go over there to Decor Designs by Ieasha. But I started this channel to do Cricut and sublimation, and that channel over there is strictly for, you know, my event, when I do my events and things like that, and I show you how to do tablescapes and things like that. All right, but go over there and check out the video. I think I did upload the video over there, but if not, and then you see how you can make a gorgeous glow-in-the-dark tumbler, whether it's for Halloween, whatever it may be. All right, everyone, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of Ieasha Designed It. I hope that you all have an amazing night, and I will see you all in my next video. Oh yeah, and I want to say happy Halloween. All right, enjoy your night and be blessed.